Hello friends, in this video I will teach you how to make hair, eyebrows and moustache for a face using Blender. You can refer the previous video on how to generate a face using FacegenMaker and the next video on how to make a body using MakeHuman software. So friends, let's move on to the video. Change your YouTube video quality to HD while watching Blender to avoid blurred vision. So friends, let's move on to Blender. Friends, I will start up music from here because there is nothing more to explain in this video. You can clearly understand the video by watching the video. Friends, you can refer the previous video on how to make a face using FacegenMaker and the next video on how to make a body using MakeHuman software. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos.